sections. Right now let's get started from the edit product. Okay, first of all, while edit product, let's let's make first of all the design for the edit page. What we have to need it here. Okay, first of all, let's go to the controller, http controller, and we have to send already brand send, category flat and send, right? But while editing we need to product send, product image send, right? But we need also this brands and category also. Okay, yes, that's it. Let's pass to here brands and categories, and selected categories and brand category, no need. Okay, because we pass the product. Now let's start at the edit page. Okay, first of all, while we have to creating edit page, we need to here the form and right side the one tab section. Okay, and tab section we have to upload multiple images, product variation types and variations. We'll make this. Okay, let's first of all create one routes for this section. Like we need to create variation, that mean let's make one controller. For image upload, let's make one route. Controller, and here is product image controller class. Okay, let's create product image controller. PHP artisan make controller under admin product controller. So let's import here also product controller, and the prefix we need images, right? All we have to pass on the let's pass here first of all grouping route. Let's see here. So after that, under this, for the images we have to, if we need, no need, if other product route we will meet to here, now not. Okay, and here we need to, most of our thing is images for index. Okay, that mean product, here we have a product on this image page index and index. Same we need to is for store as well, product store, it will be the store images. Okay, same like after no need to update. Okay, we have to remove only, right? Product, and then we need to delete and destroy. That is we need, and this is destroy and destroy. Okay, same like we need two variation types: PSP artisan make controller product variation type controller, not here, under admin. Okay, admin, that's it. And also we need here variation product variation type controller, and the prefix and as a name measure variation types, then product store and destroy. Here we need to variation type. Okay, and that's it. And another is variation controller, PSP artisan make controller product variation controller. Okay, let's create also here product variation controller, product variation controller, and name and a prefix is variations. Okay, so we need one thing I remember now, while creating we have to description, right? So where is the text editor for the description? First of all, let's clear this one, right? Go to first of all the create page. We need to description a text editor. So first of all, let's install packages. Okay, we need to one package npm. Right, I will show you. Npm install React. Okay, this package we need here. Okay, we need to use this editor for text editor. This is a copy and paste here. Okay, until install we need to create this editor section. Let's first of all import Jodi editor, import Jodit editor from Jodi React. Okay, let's go to the use for this editor. File change, no need here. Clear image also no need. To this preview sections also uploading no need, right? This on progress mpt set uploading mpt, and this one let's remove mpt now, and this store method. Okay, that's it. Let's remove this one now. Okay, only we need pass to route store method. Let's remove everything from here because we don't need anything, right? And I'll submit, and then let's use a one constant variable editor equals to use reference hook, use ref hook. Let's import this use reference from React. Okay, import use reference, and then let's go to create editor page. Let's see this level already we have. Only we need to their text editor section 2, text editor section here, editor 2. Okay, let's tab, and here we need to pass class. One is parse small, and width is full. I need maximum width none. Okay, dark brush inverse. Let's see the here Zodit editor and close this one, right? Let's pass this. Okay, reference is editor, value description, configuration, read only, placeholder enter product description, hide is 400, toolbar is medium, theme is default, enable drag and drop to editor true, status bar false, ask before paste in HTML, ask before paste from the word, default mode true, button bold, italic, underline, streak through, this one font size, paragraph, align, you will tag another list, order list, this one links, undo, redo, and color we have to pass this one, and if we can pass more colors, and path of in status bar false, so car charge counter false, and so words counter false, enter p, tag is index 1, on blur context is equals context not equals to data description, set description context, on change is new content. Okay, that's it. And let's description pass to here. Okay, something is wrong, mistake. What is the Jury editor is not defined. That means let's import again. Oh, it's removed. Import Jury editor. What? Jury editor has been imported. Okay. See, this is the true. I think one more mistake here. Wait, let me check down this one. No need. See, this is no need. Okay, because it's stopping there. So bold, italic, underline, through Arial, default, tomato, impact. Right, impact 60 pixel, heading 1, this one adjusting. Okay, circle, alpha, Greek, Roman, link, reload, undo. Okay, it's undo also working, right? And that's the create function. We are working on the edit section. Okay, let's first of all create an index function for edit. We need breadcrumbs for edit, product edit. Okay, that's fine. And then product we need here. What we have to name? We need dip. Okay, we didn't need the image. We need here category ID, and then we need brand ID. Then slug already have description. We need, I think, and then price, then quantity. All right, let's see the fields of the product. While adding, what we have to quantity, brand name, price, status, SKU. So quantity, status, string, SKU, and barcode. Okay, that's what we need here while editing. Okay, this is my edit page. I need to product, not only product. I need to here category and brands, categories and brands. Okay, and let's props or interface for interface category ID and a name. No ID and a name. We need to, we are creating here already, right? Let's copy from this brands categories. Yes, this one has been props, brands, categories, and brands. Then here also products. So that's the great idea. And let's pass all of the parameters to the body. Slug okay, product category okay, brands okay, description, price, quantity, status, SKU, barcode, and then image not. That's the fields, right? Yes. As image we don't need, so this image I don't need, and handle submit okay, this one need. Upload product is the this prevent scroll fine on scroll on submit. Let's remove now. Okay, and then that's showing okay, no issue. Main thing is file change unclear, image no need. Let's remove to edit product. Okay, and let's the new things here. Okay, first of all create we have to create one section, two section. So first of all let's create two div. Okay, and close this one and close this one. Okay, this is main div, minimum b screen and which current to bar from gray 50 to gray 100, dark from 900 dark to 800, and grid columns to else and gap 4. Okay, after this making a row section, let's divide into two main div. Div is equals to two div. Okay, there are two divs. One is class name call span 9 and class name call span 3. After that let's make one card in the here. Okay, okay, I am making the all designs at a time for this section. Okay, and I will explain the both of these. Okay, so let me copy the code for designing. I have already made because it will be take too much time for you and me also in the video. Okay, so I have design. Let's collapse this one, right side div. Let's explain the first left side div. First of all import list card. No, import card from UI card and card header card content and button. Then input, then select label, select left arrow. Okay, Jody React get from this description. Okay, let's copy this description, go to the edit page. Where is my description section? Jody React. Okay, I need to this, and let's make one use reference or the UI edit for use reference from the React import from React. Okay, all direct use reference from React. Where is this? Yes, Jody editor. Let's see the breakdown. Okay, this is edit component, this is set data. We have for edit, handle submit for product update, and this one we are making a two grids. First the container and grid. First grid and nine columns, and second is 3 columns. Let's explain this one. Card header, make this one card, and card header is pv4. Then go to the flex between justify content center and make a header section for product details. We have already making the created section, and there is an index page for the link for back button. Okay, let's import link from the Inertia React. Okay, and then go to the active tab. Okay, let's define first of all these tabs. Okay, this active tag we need to define use state constant. Yes, this is the React use state. Let's import this one also the area from React, and then I set as active tag. Okay, yes, if active tag is a detail, we have to show the handle from submit. Okay, if variation tags, then showing the title is a variation. I think this one no need for me. Okay, active tab is the details, then from submit showing. And right side I have edit tab. Okay, then card header product detail. See, this is header and this is a back section, and card header is close for this first row column 9, and then create a content body, and then create a content tab. I think we don't need this active tab. Okay, let me remove this one because we have to making as a route, so that we don't need. Let's remove later this one, and this form get back, and handle submit. Okay, this form, and create a name label. We already have this one. Okay, let's design see name labels and input labels, and with classes set data name of this value unchanged, and use these classes. Okay, I will push on the GitHub and you can pull from there. Okay, and then this is the tag icons and error handling for this. Same on the department section, showing here to category section. Okay, let's remove this department section now. We don't need this department section. Escape. We need category section. Okay, this is the categories of this, our category values, right? So here is category parent id, no, parent category id, not parent id. Okay, and then set value is the category id is equals to values. Same on the trigger, select category selected, and content is category option here. I will looping this one, copy from the backing here. Okay, I don't need this one. Where is the category and brand section? I need to this one. Okay, from create I am already brand and category section in one grid, so I need to remove from this one, and this is for. Okay, I am pasting here for this both section, and let's import the, go to editor, copy this, select options and selected value. Okay, and let's see what will be the issue. Okay, this is a categories label and selected category is a category id, right? And mapping our categories and then looping this category select option. If error any of this category, we have to use this one. And same on label for brand, and select brands for this brand and change value, set data brand id, and then select trigger the brands in the content of the brand list. Okay, and if any error for this brand, we have to use this brand. And same on the description. Before description, we need to create, go from the here pricing, quantity and a status sections, right? Copy this one, and barcode section also copy from the created section, and come to the here and paste these sections here. Okay, description. Before description, we have just barcode, everything we have to paste from this create function, right? This is a barcode section, this is for the name section, this is we need this category section and brand section, right? Okay, this one for category section and brand section. Okay, and this is a quantity and a price section, and this is a SKU and bar section. This is for description, and we don't need this one. We don't need. I think that's not needed. Let's see. Yes, description still have, and then action buttons, delete account, product, and processing for saving button. Okay, while processing we have to disable for processing, until processing we are saving, otherwise save changes. Okay, and the processing we have to define or not? Yes, already have, right? And go to the right section, another column. Okay, close everything. Then we have to close this left section column. Okay, right side we are creating card, and then header of card, product shaping settings, detail, and the links of this product edit. Okay, navbar product edit link, we need to lead edit section for this link after clicking. And then another is the images, product images link, say this one. And we are creating another link for variation tag, and this is another link for variation. And let's say create import from the React. Okay, after that let's see the design is okay or not. Go back, click to edit, something going to wrong. Yes, that's normal. A list is not defined, that means list not defined. Let's define list. No, this AI is not intelligent. We need to manually import for list. Okay, mm, 168 list size. 169. Where under this 169 means here this one section, or is the list? What is the list, bro? Under category, let's see, just find out the list. List means let's React list, not imported. Okay, still status option is not defined. Wow, let's define the status. Where is the status option not defined? Oh, yeah. Yes, publish draft, only two status options, so we have to define. Still error. Something is going to wrong. Category okay, fine. This one fine. We have the status list okay, breadcrumb okay, brand okay, props okay, that export default, edit props, it's fine. Then handle submit, yes, fine. Use reference fine, active tab fine, right? becomes fine, and then return. Everything is fine. Let's move to this div. Okay, that means this is okay, fine. Let's see the one by one. Okay, this one and this one we don't need. I think status active tab. Let's remove. Need? Why need? Always primary page, not this one. Okay, this one and this one. And image, for image tag we need to only this one and direct paste in here. Okay, same variation and variations. Same one, we don't need other section for primary color. This is also fine, I think. This is the card. Let's copy this card. Yes, right side is okay. Product edit, product images, variation types and variations. Let's left side giving the issues. What happened? Yes, that means button. From button imported trash. It's a mistake for the removing, right? Content wrap. Link. Okay, fine. Handle and submit. This one fine. Okay, input section. If name error, if label not. Okay, this is fine. And then category sections and branch section. I think everything is fine. Where is the mistake? Wait, let me see. Okay, I think where is the mistake for this Jody text editor? Okay, let me remove this description editor. Everything is fine. Again, something is mistakes for Jody editor. This one is Jody editor. We have to pass editor and the data description. Enter product description, media, new content as a new content. Let's pass type any or a string. Pass also type any or a string. Jody editor. I have to not like this. We need to this one. Okay, that's the mistakes. Okay, we need to this one. I know we need to this one. Why not select it? That means we need to data binding. Okay, and go to the data binding section. Product category ID, product brand ID. Yes, binding. Then why not selecting? Categories, set data as a data.category ID, and value change triggered is the categories, right? And brand ID also not binding, means let's see the category edit section. We are passing parent ID in the null section. Same on, we are category ID and brand ID. This is our data. Let's console log, right? This is a data. Let's see the console. Yes, our data is equals to brand ID, category ID is selected. That's it. Why not select it here? Everything is okay, but only parent category ID and brand ID is not selected. We pass there because why can we don't have a selected category ID, means I found the problem is it's asking to string values same on the to string. Okay, this need for us, so automatically selected the apples and apples. Okay, and go back, edit here, electronics, go back, edit here, the this one. Okay, let's make this new products image variation types in the next section. I think I need to create all design at a times, and I will copy and explain. Okay, because this is taking too much time yours, and I will push the all code in the GitHub and you can take from there. Okay, now that's it.